For graying hair, stop relying on hair dyes which are harmful to your hair and scalp. And look for the answer in nature. All materials are extracted from 100% plant-derived ingredients. It's the world's first all-in-one shampoo featuring natural antioxidant principles. Gradual darkening cover for your gray hair, Moda Moda. When covering your gray hair is something you have to do every month, but dyeing causes itchiness, hair loss, and scalp problems. The cost of dyeing your hair multiple times can be overwhelming. When you use Moda Moda, apply the shampoo just for 3 minutes a day for 1 month, and that's all it takes. As it's free of silicone and free of sulfate surfactant, you'll be free of hair troubles and will no longer need to break the bank just to dye your hair. What's so special about Moda Moda? Moda Moda is an all-in-one shampoo that covers gray hair using the same darkening color changes that are found in nature. So it takes a little time, however, it's healthy and safe. Moda Moda is not a hair dye because it contains 0% harmful hair dye ingredients. Simply use this shampoo once a day, just for 3 minutes, along with its rich and refreshing peppermint fragrance foam. The single shampoo covers your gray hair and manages your scalp care at the same time. Experience a noticeable transformation after around just 4 weeks. No dyeing. Live with Moda Moda.
Hello, I'm Dina of the Moda Moda campaign team. Moda Moda was created jointly by researchers and developers from MIT after 5 years of work. It is for those with scalp allergy concerns and hair damage due to dyeing their hair. It does not contain any harmful ingredients found in conventional shampoos, nor does it contain any harmful hair dyeing ingredients. The complex ingredients were inspired by nature's antioxidant principle. The more you use it, the darker it becomes. Additionally, we have developed an airless container with a special design. The product is packaged in a container that blocks light and oxygen, and it is shipped quickly and safely by air delivery. No dyeing. Live with Moda.